There's like showing on her back.
It's totally like still over there right now.
I'm like, there's strawberries. Because she screamed so loud at that point that it was like, everybody was kind of like, what the fuck?
You go back and look at the customer side.
Everybody's just kind of like when I walked out, everybody was so kind of like what's happening? It was like everybody kind of around was just like, what the fuck?
And you're still trying to make this smoothie.
I'm like, I gotta make this smoothie.
I had to go get Luz because I can't kill bugs like that. Okay.